today's challenging world, customers want to maximize the return on investment through OEE improvements. This can be achieved through speeding up the machine's startup phase, maximizing production time, minimizing waste, machine stops and inefficiencies, and reducing losses. In order to protect your investment, GDM has developed Asset Protection Services with the objective of preventing possible issues, thereby increasing machine availability. APS is a customized service contract covering production support activities, including the supply of spare parts, maintenance, and production line supervision. APS program is designed to reduce the total time spent in the spare parts purchasing process, reduce the learning curve period through customer training programs, increase customer troubleshooting capabilities through dedicated instruction, and ensure and increase machine availability. Spare parts availability is key to guaranteeing continuous production. So, how does GDM do it? Delivery. GDM has stock in strategic locations. Centralized stock for zero-time delivery of high-usage spare parts. Fast and complete transfer of technical information. Quality. Longer life and reliability in comparison with non-OEM parts. High-quality components designed to ensure the best performance. Web shop. GDM Web Services provides clients full access to the online catalog and real-time information. GDM offers a broad set of services to ensure machine productivity levels. Machine checkup. Periodic machine checkup and improvement tips from GDM Engineering Department. Maintenance cards. Clear instructions to help technicians analyze when and how to do critical maintenance work. Remote assistance. Remote assistance hardware is available on all new GDM machines. Remote support to help troubleshoot and detect the most common causes of downtime. Lower costs and response times. Production support. Improve the learning curve and facilitate machine startup. SAT levels of efficiency and waste can be achieved sooner after startup. Production line supervision is crucial to achieving the best performance levels with your GDM line. Losses measurement system. Identification of waste type and parameters for performance tracking. Embedded sensors to control the production line. Data mining system to collect data and losses. Root cause analysis. Control parameter definition to identify root causes of waste. Identification of top causes by waste category. Corrective action plans. Top cause analysis to identify most effective solutions. Training for technicians on root cause analysis method. APS fits your needs of maximized production, streamlined logistics, and reduced costs. These are the core elements of our commitment to your results. Asset Protection Services is a strategic set of solutions designed to protect your investment and maximize machine availability. GDM Asset Protection Services, our commitment to your results.